Welcome back to Sauceman's Garage on YouTube. This is the catalytic converter cage I built for my 2004 runner. Runs right until the end there. Basically it just prevents anybody from being able to cut and pull out the catalytic converter while still providing a lot of airflow, cooling. So it's a 13mm nut for the stud on the sway bar attachment. It's a long stud, so you don't have to do anything there. All you have to do is add it on and bolt it down with the stud. Over here we use the existing transmission cross member and the existing hardware. Same over here, basically the existing cross member, existing hardware. It's the bolts are long enough to use. I used a 1 inch by 1 inch angle iron with just drilled out for the holes in the proper places, and then the cage is built out of 3/4 inch by 1/4 inch flat bar, welded together, painted red. Hopefully it will provide some protection. If you cut it out, you're going to have a heck of a time trying to take it out, that's for sure. So that's what I've done. At least hopefully someone will climb under here, they'll see it, and they'll move on to the next one, because it won't be easy to get this sucker out from just messing around with a sawzall and stuff. So there you go. Hopefully it helps somebody. And I will show you the finished pieces as well, but let's get a welder. You can fabricate something similar to this, bolt it in place, and it took about 4 hours for me. Easy peasy. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Sauceman's Garage.